Good afternoon and welcome back to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We've been coming to you live from the Singapore FinTech Festival. Joining me for this segment we have Rebecca Smith. She's the head of listings and capital markets with APAC ex-China with Nasdaq. Thank you so much, Rebecca, for joining us for this segment. Now it's interesting, you're the head of listings and capital markets. My question to you is, why are companies staying private longer?
The way we think about it is that when you're in the private sphere, you're in the VC stage, or you're in the market where you would access private capital through a private market, such as Nasdaq Private Market, it's a stealth mode for the company. So it's a way for the company to attract capital into the business, but they don't have the responsibility of being a public company and having the public company scrutiny that comes along with. So it gives them a bit of a runway to build the business and also to start looking at how to behave like a public company, but accessing the private markets at the same time.
Now, what are some of the benefits about going public in the United States?
Yeah, so the US is obviously the biggest capital market in the world. It's the deepest. It has the most sophisticated investors that really understand technology. So if you're a tech company or a biotech company that has world application, you're going to get better understood there. So this is a real differentiator for the US. Also, the US system is a pure disclosure framework, and the company just discloses the correct information as required by the SEC and the reporting requirements. And the investor makes the choice as to whether to invest in the company. So it's really a different philosophy than Asian markets, which are a bit more protective of retail investors.
We've had a number of Asian companies go public this year on the Nasdaq stock market.
Correct.
Yeah. All right, so now what are some of the tech trends that you're seeing in the ASEAN region?
Yeah, so we're seeing technology that allows financial inclusion for more and more people in Asia. There are 2 billion unbanked people in Asia so far, so this represents a huge opportunity for business. Also, for mobile payments in China, for instance, are 50 times that of the US. So it's a very, very vibrant, active market, and we're seeing a lot of new technology come into the market. We're also seeing EV companies, so companies such as Byton, which are really creating a worldwide product, and it's a very new technology coming out of Asia. We're seeing pioneers in image recognition, face recognition, such as SenseTime and Trax. So they really are coming out of Asia and are global leaders. And then we're seeing world-class biotech actually from Asia. So we're seeing CAR-T, we're seeing nucleic acid therapeutics, and we're also seeing different types of oncology treatments that are very Asia-specific, grown in Asia, and that will be given worldwide application as well.
All right, Rebecca, thank you so much for that insight.
My pleasure.
And thank you for joining me throughout the day. We're coming to you live from the Singapore FinTech Festival. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you.